Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find sound and vibration. And as you can see, actually right here at the very top, we've got the section where we've got those icons for the notifications, ringtone and the alarm. So let me show you how to change it using the ringtone. Just tap on it, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the section from your developer, so from the Xiaomi. Here we've got some top ringtones which will be available only if you will have the internet connection, so be aware about that. But if you don't want to connect to the internet, no worries. Here you've got two different albums from which you can choose. You've got the pre-installed ringtones, and here we've got a local ringtone. So simply just by tapping on the local ringtone, just give all the permissions, you will be able to select the tone from the recorder file manager on the music. So if you will have any compatible files, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here. So for example, in the file manager on the music, and you will be able to use them and set them as a ringtone. But we've got also the list of defaults. So here we've got the pre-installed ringtones, and again we have to pick for which section we want to change it. So again, ringtone, and at the top we've got also the option to do not set ringtone. So it simply means that your device will not use the sound feedback to notify you about the incoming call. And under it we've got plenty of options to choose from, plenty of ringtones. And if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And let me volume it down a little bit. We don't want it to be that loud. All right. So basically, this is how it works. Just tap on it, and if you are happy with your choice, so for example, if you'd like to set the orange, just go back. Just tap on it and go back, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.